What is this? We could have a meeting in our shower. Oh my gosh.
Get out of here.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited right now. Oh.
The most important part of this is that I get Kenzie's reaction to the bathroom.
Wait, but look. Okay.
In a minute.
Look it. This is just for us. Let's go, shall we? Our private little...
Come on now.
Oh, you know. Hello, peasants. I'm pretty sure that we have the best room in the whole hotel. Look it.
Like, they
Ours
said it
is
was the
bigger.
first floor, and I was like, oh, we're on the first floor, not on the top floor. No, in France, we got the best room.
I'm a queen. Okay, you want me to see the bathroom?
Yeah, go and see the bathroom.
No. Stop. What?
Ooh, fancy technologies.
Look at what we can do in here.
So this is where you learn to use a bidet.
I don't think it's a bidet.
That's.
I think that's a urinal.
It's got a faucet on it.
Yeah, to like... I'm scared.
That's
Like, that's not a bidet.
That is most definitely a bidet.
We made it to Cannes after a few hours on a train, and after being in the hustle and bustle of Paris, I feel like we're both feeling like vegging out a little.
Ready to chill.
And this seems like the perfect place to do it.
So tonight we're gonna order some room service. We're gonna
bougie.
chill and bougie. We're gonna treat ourselves, and we're gonna chill here and watch the sunset on the balcony.
In robes. That's very important.
And I'm gonna take a bath.
You're gonna take a bath?
And tomorrow.
I felt like christening the shower tonight, bath tomorrow, because you gotta hit up both.
Then we'll do both tonight.
Okay.
And tomorrow we're gonna be visiting a bunch of French little islands.
The Lérine
What else?
Islands, and we're doing a spa day! Spa!
Perfect.
Love massages.
That's where I'm ending it.
I love it. We are very happy staying here.
And happy honeymoon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So sweet. What was your
Bye.
banana nectar, apricot nectar, and this looks amazing. To bring with you the memory of this stay. Oh my gosh. It's the candle.
You were just talking about how you love the way the
I
hotel
was like, I
smells.
love the way
You've
this
said it 3
hotel-
times already.
Yes.
I'd like to place an order for room service to be, delivered. Awesome.
So full transparency, JW Marriott put us up in this amazing room. We definitely didn't expect them to give us those gifts and the
Or the
anniversary.
nicest room in the whole.
Yeah, they didn't say they were
country.
giving us the nicest room in the hotel. That wedding is so loud right now. We're going to the spa and checking out the islands tomorrow. So we'll see you then, suckers.
Now, what are we doing? We just visiting a bunch of touring. It's unnecessary, man.
The Lérine Islands.
And apparently, we were just told the place where they kept the man in the iron mask is like on one of these islands. I don't know. Either way, should be dope. And then we got our spa day.
Spa day!
We are going here in this path, visit the abbey with a church, and after the tour of monastery we're gonna top of the roof, and we go back inside the middle of the vineyard and go back to the restaurant.
We're at the spa.
We're at the Thermes. I don't know how to say it.
We're at that spa. We've got food lined up, exfoliation, and massages. I'm very ticklish. I usually hate massages. Kenzie loves them.
Massages.
I don't like massages, so.
See how hyped I
this
am
will
right
be-
now? I'm so hyped.
Yeah. It's our last day in Cannes. Our last day in France.
Well, yeah. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's our last day in France. We had a super fancy dinner last night.
Anniversaire de mariage.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Joyeux anniversaire de mariage. Joyeux anniversaire.
Thank you.
It was literally the best steak of my life.
And the servers sang to us and had sparklers on it. And then one of the servers did magic tricks for us.
This is just the beginning. So if we take the queen, place it right in the middle. It's that quick that I cannot see. Goes up, right? It gets better, watch. We take the queen, yeah? I'll place it in the middle. Give it a cut. Right there.
Want me to flip it?
I don't know. I don't, wait.
Oh my gosh.
Get out of here.
It was dope.
But
Best dinner. Best dinner of the trip, I'd say.
Marriott, by the way, Marriott set up everything that we've done here, which has been really nice of them. And today, for our last day, they set up a helicopter tour.
It's gonna be dope. Have I said that already? They see our ice cream, they're coming for it.
And we're gonna fly over some of the French islands on a helicopter.
It's gonna be sick.
That should be fun. No, you're supposed to say it's gonna be dope.
It's gonna be dope.
You never go to the back of the helicopter, to the tail of the
Don't
helicopter.
go. How does it song go? Danger zone to the danger zone. Okay, sorry. Oui.
Then you just board her on one side, and after I board you on the other side.
And then you board too, right? You're coming with us?
I don't know. You just fly. I'm waiting for you.
For real though, JW Marriott made Cannes.